How to top up balance on paper trading on TradingView. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to top up or reset your paper trading balance on TradingView, so you can practice with whatever virtual amount actually matches your real trading plan. Here's the key thing to understand first. TradingView doesn't have a separate Add Funds button. Topping up your balance is done through the Reset feature inside the paper trading panel itself. Let's walk through it. Step 1. Open any chart on TradingView and make sure you're already connected to paper trading. If you're not connected yet, click the Trading Panel tab at the bottom of your screen, select Paper Trading by TradingView from the broker list, and click Connect. Step 2. Once you're in the paper trading panel, look for the gear icon. This is your settings button for the whole paper trading account. Step 3. Click that gear icon and look for the reset option inside the settings menu. Step 4. Adjust your desired starting balance to whatever amount you want, then confirm the change. Step 5. Know exactly what happens when you do this. A reset doesn't just add funds on top of your existing balance, it wipes your paper trading account clean, meaning your open positions, order history, and current profit or loss all get cleared out along with the old balance. Step 6. Before resetting, check if there's anything worth reviewing first. If you want to keep a record of a strategy test you just ran, screenshot or note down your performance summary and trade history before you reset, since that data doesn't carry over. Here's a pro tip. Set your new balance to closely match what you'd actually use in real trading, rather than picking a huge round number just because it's available. Practicing position sizing and risk management against a realistic balance makes your paper trading results far more meaningful once you eventually transition to a live account. So that's exactly how to top up, or more accurately, reset your paper trading balance on TradingView. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading platform tutorials, and let me know in the comments, what balance are you setting yours to?